Chapter 3 Movements of the Earth. Gear up! Hi friends, I am in Switzerland to spend my vacation. You will be surprised to know that it is night in Switzerland while it is day in India. Today, we are going to learn about the movements of the Earth and their effects. The sun takes different positions at different times of the day, giving us the impression that the sun moves from one corner of the sky to the other. But the fact is that the sun does not move. It only appears that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west every day. We have already learned that the Earth, like all the planets of the solar system, moves around the sun. The Earth spins from west to east on its axis. Let us find out more about its movement. Movements of the Earth. The Earth takes two types of movements, spinning around itself, known as rotation, and revolving around the sun, known as revolution. Rotation refers to the spinning of the Earth on its own axis. It takes approximately 24 hours to complete one rotation. The Earth rotates from west to east. Rotation of the Earth causes day and night. When the Earth rotates, only one part of the Earth faces the sun, while the other part remains away from the sun. The part that faces the sun receives sunlight and has day, while the other part, which is in darkness, has night. As the Earth rotates from west to east, the sun seems to rise from the east. This is the reason why places in the west experience sunrise later. Quick fact: Japan lies in the extreme east of the eastern hemisphere. It is therefore called the land of the rising sun. Revolution of the Earth. When rotation on its tilted axis, the Earth also moves around the sun on a fixed path. This fixed path is known as orbit. The movement of the Earth around the sun is called the revolution of the Earth. The Earth takes approximately 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution. We have only 365 days on our calendar. The 1/4 day of every year is added to make one extra day. This extra day is added after every 4 years to the month of February. Hence, February has 29 days every 4th year instead of 28 days. A year with 366 days is known as leap year. The year 2020 was a leap year. As the Earth keeps rotating and revolving around the sun, different parts of the Earth receive different amounts of heat and light from the sun. This is why the seasons keep changing. The region that is tilted away from the sun receives less heat and experiences winter. On the other hand, the region that is tilted towards the sun receives more heat and experiences summer. Formation of seasons. Look at a globe carefully to understand the tilted axis of the Earth. The Earth always remains tilted to the same side and at the same angle. The tilt of the Earth's axis and the revolution of the Earth causes seasons. The revolution of the Earth gives us different seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So, the tilt of the Earth's axis plays a vital role in the change of seasons. If the axis of the Earth were not tilted, the Earth would receive the same amount of sunlight and the same season would be experienced throughout the year. If the Earth did not revolve around the sun, the seasons would again be the same. Different seasons are caused by the inclined axis and the revolution of the Earth around the sun. Quick fact: the axis of Jupiter is tilted only 3 degrees, and so there is no significant change in the seasons. Mind map: movements of the Earth, rotation of the Earth, revolution of the Earth, formation of seasons.